So what are 3 things you should never do before you're putting your house on the market? That's what I'm going to talk about today. Stick around. Hi, I'm Annie Baker, and I'm going to talk about 3 things I tell clients never to do when we're getting their house ready for sale. And if you're thinking about selling your house, even in the next year, don't do these 3 things. I'm going to start with number 3. Don't worry about things you can't see. So there are a lot of homes that are 50, 70 years old in Silicon Valley. The pipes are galvanized, the electric is older, the water heater maybe is 15 years old, but they're all working fine. Don't think that, you know what, I'm going to upgrade those things because that'll be great for when we get our house ready for sale. Buyers don't care as much. They will care if your whole house is redone and you have a new roof and you have those things. Maybe you could add that to the list of things you would do, but don't go for those things first. You just won't get the return out of that investment. People care more about what they can see in upgrades versus what they can't see. Number 2, no bold colors. I don't care if you're doing cabinets, you're doing paint in bedrooms. Don't do anything that's kind of a personal color to you or is a brighter color. I know a lot of people love to have dining rooms that have an accent wall with a red or an orange color, or a kid's room that has a bright blue teal color for the sharks. That's always a big one. But don't do that if you're getting your house ready for sale. Those colors can be too personal. They can mean something to you and it might go with your aesthetic taste, but it might not for a lot of buyers. Also, if you're thinking about upgrading any cabinetry in your house, again, nothing bold, no bright colors in cabinets. Okay, the number 1 thing not to do if you're getting your house ready for sale is to think that you are a designer. I know that could be hard for some people to hear. Some people love decorating their own houses and think they have a great aesthetic and that so many people love it. Not everybody shares your taste. Reach out to a realtor that specializes in listing houses for sale because they'll have the answers. Like myself, I specialize in listing. I have a designer on my team, a professional designer who will help pick paint colors, cabinetry, lighting, all those things so it'll appeal to the most amount of buyers, because that's how you drive your price up and get the most out of your house sale, is when you can get more buyers in the house, more buyers competing, and we push the price up. So ask the designer, ask me, to pay for a consultation with the designer. My consultation is free, so that you pick the right paint color. Some people pick an off-white that is just like a green off-white. It just doesn't look right, and it'll affect buyers walking into your house. Even though you're saying, yeah, but it's all brand new paint, they're gonna be like, oh, we need to paint the house. Don't pick out cabinets that you think, oh, they look really neat, they're kind of trending right now. Sometimes that's not the best thing to do. Just go with what works, go with what's classic and clean, and so buyers will like it. So that's my number 1 tip. Don't think you're your own designer. So those are my tips. Never do those 3 things. We are trying to get you the most money when you're selling, so let's appeal to those buyers. If you have any questions, comment below. Reach out anytime, and until next time, have a great one.